Malaysia has officially locked in yung kanilang dalawang representatives para sa MSC 2026. The first is obviously Selangor Red Giants, and the second that came by a surprise, Team Vamos. You know what time it is. Hands in. Congratulations to our two teams, and I think it's time for us to talk about both of them. And yes, it's gonna be in under one video kasi magfa-finals pa sila bukas, and then we're gonna talk about that series afterwards. But here's my thoughts on them for the entirety of the season. Number one is Selangor Red Giants. They're just really good. During the second half of the season, dahil nga doon sa suspension na nangyari kay Kram, medyo nag-struggle talaga sila, and there were some losses in the middle of the regular season. Dahil si Uni yung kanila naging XP laner. Pero nung isang araw, pagkatapos masuspend ni Kram for 7 matches, ay nakabalik na siya, and he immediately made so much impact with SRG. Like, meron mga times na hindi talaga super factor si Stormy, si Kais, and si Yums. At kapag hindi factor yung tatlo, medyo mahihirapan si Innocent na makarating dun sa buhat factor. And Kram really made it so much easier for him na parang hindi siya nawala. Which is why I always say na as long as these 5 players will not split up, will not go to another team, and stay here in Malaysia, I think they're gonna be at the top for a very long time. I'm calling like an extra 2 to 4 seasons of domination pa. Pangatlong sunod na MSC na to ng SRG. And they've won 1 out of the last 2, and now they're gonna make their 3rd straight. Puntahan naman natin ang Team Vamos. This team was led by Coach Pakbet, a Filipino import coach that is leading a couple of maybe Indonesians but at the same time Malaysians din. Before the start of the playoffs, people were still putting them at the number 2 spot kahit na maglalaro sila galing sa play-ins. That is because Invictus Gaming was the team that got the upper bracket spot over them. So, ibig sabihin, nakasalalay pa yung tournament life nila dun sa play-ins. They were able to beat their opponents, and they were able to sweep Invictus Gaming 4-0 in the lower bracket finals. Kaya sila nakarating dito. Yung huling beses na nakarating sila sa kahit anong international tournament was the M6 World Championship in 2024. So it's almost 2 years. And obviously, they're very happy with this result dahil bago yung karamihan sa mga players nila. So when you think about it, kung kaya nilang makadalawa sa SRG, baka kaya nilang pumalag sa team na to sa finals. Pero kinalaban nila yung SRG nang wala pa si Kram. And Kram really made a big difference in their matchup last time. So I don't know. I guess we'll just have to watch the finals.